Can't uninstall Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11? In this video we are going to see how we can do that by trying some fixes. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. Xbox Game Bar allows gamers to capture a video of the game screen, take screenshots, and communicate with friends via Xbox Social. Game DVR is a feature of the app that is responsible for continuously recording your screen so you can capture a clip of the game whenever you want. In order to prevent Xbox from constantly collecting video of your screen and consuming your resources, you may turn off the auto capture option. The Record What Happened feature can be disabled by navigating to Settings, followed by Gaming then Captures, and unchecking the box. It is not yet possible to completely eliminate the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. In contrast to Windows 10, the toggle button to turn off the Xbox Game Bar is no longer available in the Settings menu. If the feature is causing you problems, you can remove it instead of disabling it. However, if you find that you can't uninstall it or that the uninstall option is grayed out, we will present you a list of alternative methods to follow right after we get a better grasp of what the Xbox Game Bar does. Let's start the process. First, use Windows Terminal. Right-click on the Start icon and select Windows Terminal, Admin. In the PowerShell window, type or paste in the following command and hit enter. PowerShell will now show the progress of the removal. Do not close the window at this stage as the removal is still in progress. Once done, try to press Windows+G. The Xbox Game Bar overlay shouldn't show up as it is already removed from your Windows 11. To reinstall the app again, simply go to Microsoft Store, search for Xbox Game Bar, and install it from there. Second, disable the launch shortcut. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, then go to Gaming, followed by Xbox Game Bar. Turn off the toggle next to the Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller option. This will only disable the launch shortcut. To make sure the app doesn't run in the background, go back to Settings, then Apps, and lastly Apps and Features. Search for the Xbox Game Bar app. Click on the three-dot menu and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you meet the Background Apps Permissions section and choose the Never option from the drop-down menu. Then scroll down further down the page and click the Terminate button to immediately stop the app and its related processes. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.